Hello everyone. We have discussed the Middle Age in the last video. Today we will study the age of Chaucer. As you know that the age of Chaucer is named after the famous poet Geoffrey Chaucer, who is also called the father of English literature. The age of Chaucer is the opening moment of English literature. This age is the first significant period in the literary history of English literature. In every walk of life, there were signs of change. The social, political, religious, and literary changes were taking place in this age. In short, it was an age of change. In this age, medievalism was departing and modernism was developing slowly. Wycliffe and his followers were sowing the seeds of reformation. They were making attacks on the corruption of the church. Geoffrey Chaucer lived under the rules of three kings, Edward III, Richard II, and Henry IV. Now, we will discuss the historical events in this period. The first historical event of this period is the Hundred Years' War. The Hundred Years' War is named so because it was a war that continued for a period of 100 years. This war was fought between England and France. In this war, 5 generations of kings from 2 rival dynasties fought for the throne of the France, which was the largest kingdom of Western Europe. The second historical event in this age is the Black Death. Black Death is a bubonic plague caused by rats. It occurred thrice and killed 1/3 of European population. It shook the social fabric violently. A large number of people died because of it. And the third notable event of this period is the Peasants' Rebellion. Peasants were facing a lot of issues because of Black Death and 100 Years' War. They were not getting money and facing famine. Moreover, they were forced to give taxes as the fund for war. So, the peasants started rebellion, which was known as Peasants' Rebellion. Wat Tyler was the leader of this revolt. Chaucer is considered the father of English literature. Now, I will discuss the works of Chaucer. The most famous work of Geoffrey Chaucer is the Canterbury Tales. The Canterbury Tales is most famous work of Chaucer. It is called his masterpiece. It is incomplete because he died before completing it. The other works of Chaucer are the Book of Duchess, House of Fame, Parliament of Fowls, Troilus and Cressida, Legend of Good Women, etc. Other notable poets of the age of Chaucer are William Langland, John Wycliffe, John Gower, John Mandeville, etc. First of all, we will discuss William Langland. William Langland wrote Piers Plowman. This is the famous work of William Langland. The motive of the poem was to expose the corruption among clergy. It presents the struggle and virtue of common folk. John Wycliffe An important work in the age of Chaucer is Wycliffe's Bible. He translated Latin Bible into vernacular English. He is also called the father of English prose for this translation. John Mandeville is also the famous poet of the age of Chaucer. He wrote The Voyage and Travel of Sir John Mandeville. This book appeared about 1356. The next is John Gower. John Gower is known for writing three works: Speculum Meditantis, which was written in French; Vox and Clementis, it was written in Latin; and Confessio Amantis, it was written in English. So students, today we have discussed the age of Chaucer. We will discuss the Elizabethan age in the next video.